No mai hoki mai anō, welcome back to breakfast. It is 4 minutes to 9. Shoe repairing is one of the world's oldest professions, and while some may say it's a dying one tauranga man is bringing it back using AI and TikTok. Shane's Shoe Repairs has gained nearly 40,000 followers on the app, sharing tips to get your shoes looking brand spanking new after successfully using the government's 2020 Digital Boost program. We're joined now by cobbler Shane Barr. Morena Shane, thanks so much for being with us this morning. Before we even talk about AI, before we even talk about TikTok, talk to me about how you ended up in this bizzo in the first place.
Good morning, Jenny. Brought up on a farm and stuff's always broken and we just had to fix it. There was no option just to go into town and get another one. So you just had to use what was at hand and get in there and repair it. Anything from saddles and boots to whatever was on the farm just needed fixing. So that's how it sort of started off, with a repair mentality.
I love it, Shane. So how is business?
It's good. Middle of winter is always good for shoe repairs. Everyone really needs to get them fixed and actually takes action rather than just putting them in the car to get them fixed. They actually take them in and get them fixed. So I think all the cobblers are pretty busy this time of the year.
Hey, talk to me about TikTok and AI and how it became a thing for you, and how did you come up with the idea of doing this?
I have my daughters to thank for that. Izzy and Eddie, they hooked onto the app and were showing me, and I was like, I better check this out because make sure it's all good for them. And I put a few TikToks up and did not get good reviews or good comments. People, one that really got to me, the chappie said, this sounds like an ad that's very thinly disguised, mate. And I was like, oh, after having a whole 10 views or something like yeah, that's right. And so but from there, I sort of learned that maybe it was about giving advice and helping people out more rather than just trying to sell our services.
Okay, so you got feedback from people who said, actually, mate, this sucks. So did you go back to, did you ask the kids again and say, okay, what am I doing wrong here?
Oh, they think I'm doing it wrong all the time, generally. And they don't, I'm hardly allowed to talk about it around the house anymore.
Oh, that's brilliant. So what has the response been like from people?
Yeah, really good. Lots of people sort of mention it when they come into the shop, or they, you can see that they've seen the videos by some of the comments they make when they come in store. It's real good for business.
Yeah, I imagine that it is. And in terms of business, are you able to quantify how good it has been? Have people been seeing you up on TikTok and that's driven customers to come to your place?
Yeah, it sort of helps in probably three real obvious ways. We actually get more people into the shop to start with. And then when they do get into the shop, they kind of know us and trust us. So it's a lot easier to discuss the repair and make the sale. And because they're aware of more of the things that we do and sell, then they're open to spending a bit more money when they are actually in the shop.
Hey Shane, talk to me. We've got about 30 seconds, but you had the MB Digital Boost free program, and I just wonder about that program and how that has helped you with your business, but also in understanding AI as well.
Right, yeah. It's really helped by, I think it just gave me the confidence doing that course to ditch all that we'd been doing before and all the money and time we'd spent, and just rebuild from scratch, a new website, new point of sale. And I think that was the main thing I got out of it. But learned so much about all sorts of marketing things while I was on there. And the AI thing is just so good when you're stuck for ideas and you're brainstorming. You just type in, hey, give me 30 ideas for TikToks, and 3 minutes, probably 10 seconds later, it gives you all those ideas so fast.
Well, Shane, we wish you well. Thank you for being with us this morning. Go and check out Shane Barr at his place in Tauranga. Nice, loving your work. Thanks, mate. Take care.
Cheers, thank you. Bye.
Hey, thank you as well.